video will help you find the mean absolute deviation. Remember, to find the mean absolute deviation, or the MAD, there are three main steps. You first have to find the mean, then find the absolute deviation, which means the distance from each data point to the mean, and then find the mean of those distances. So looking at question 1, you recorded the numbers of raisins in 8 scoops of cereal. Find the mean number of scoops, raisins in a scoop. So I have to add together all the raisins. So I'm using my calculator to do that adding. So when I add them all up, I have 24 divided by the total number of scoops, which was 8. So the mean number of raisins in a scoop is 3. Part B, find the absolute deviation from each data point to the mean. That means I'm finding the distance from the first data value to the mean. So the distance between 1 and 3, which is 2. The distance from 2 to 3 is 1. Another distance of 2 to 3, another one. Another distance of 2 to 3, which is 1. The distance from 4 to 3 is 1. The distance from 4 to 3, another one. The distance from 4 to 3 is 1. And the final distance from 5 to 3 is 2. So those are all my absolute deviations. And now question 3, find the mean absolute deviations of the raisins. So to find the MAD, I use my calculator to add up all the distances that I just found. So 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 2. Okay, when I add them all up, I'm getting 10. Divided by the number of values we had, which was 8. And when I divide that out, I get the MAD is 1 in 2,500. Question 2. The data set shows the admission prices at several museums. Find the mean absolute deviation of this data. So just like before, our first step is to find the mean. So I'm using my calculator to add up the data values. So 20, 20, 16, 12, 15, 25, and 11. When I add them all up, I get 119 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 museums that we have values for. So the mean ends up being 17. Now I found the distance from each data value to the mean. So the distance between 20 and 17 is 3. 20 and 17 again is 3. The distance between 16 and 17 is 1. The distance from 12 to 17 is 5. The distance of 15 and 17 is 2. The distance of 25 and 17 is 8. And the distance from 11 to 17 is 6. Now I find the mean of all those distances, and that is the mean absolute deviation. So I use my calculator to add together all my values. So 3, 3, 1, 5, 2, 8, and 6. When I add them all up, I have 28 divided by 7 for the number of values we had. So the MAD ends up being 4. I hope this video helps. Please let me know if you have any questions.